Alright, well, it's that time of season where I got to get up on the roof and clean the AC of the camper. We're kind of at the hot season part, so halfway through the year, the camp season, I like to always clean it. That way the second half, which is typically the hottest, the most that you're going to use the AC, I like to clean it and just make sure that it runs great. The cleaner that it is, the more efficient that it is, the more it'll keep up with your camper on temperature. So, if you want, tag along. We're just gonna clean it. I can't forget this. Check it out. Get that Miracle Mist. It's that instant mold and mildew stain remover. Honestly, this is the greatest stuff ever. And take off the cover here. Alright, well, I don't know how much you can really tell here. There's no actual like physical matter on here. It's just like the dust and stuff on here. There's no cottonwood, no leaves, none of that stuff. So I just have an evap, no rinse. It's just like it's a detergent, in other words. It's like $21 on Amazon. It's nice because you just spray it and walk away. If you have a hose, you can rinse it out if you want. But you definitely want to use it on your evaporator. Because you kind of, once we take off the air box there, you kind of can't spray down in there because it goes right inside. So, in other words, just spray it and it'll foam out all your nastiness. So having clean coils is very important to the efficiency. You kind of think of it as like this is your lungs. If you have a mask on, it's hard to breathe, right? So when your coil gets dirty, is it going to be easy for it to breathe, to get rid of heat? No, not at all. So in other words, if you're ever wondering, you know, man, my AC is just not keeping up. Well, it's probably filthy. It's a very good chance of that. It's a good starting point before you call somebody. Just kind of rinse it down. Look at this. Look what's coming out. As I rinse it, it's like pure black. That's how important it is. Even though there was no like big physical stuff on here, it just shows how dirty it still actually is. Just whatever you do, just trying to get the motor wet. Alright, so let's take off the little air box here. Okay, so the same concept here. I mean, I can actually tell this is actually pretty dusty. Just cover up your hole the best you can. Look what's coming out. That's actually running out from the drain pan. So when I'm pouring it, you can see the drain pan down here, and then the little weep holes are underneath, and it comes out. You can stay up on top of maintenance, then you don't have to keep doing this. You just spray it, leave it, put it all back together, and go. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, there's black streaks all over this. So there's still black streaks down here. These are gone. Alright guys, so now that I'm done up there, all I'm going to do is go inside and just turn the AC on and let it run, let it air dry them coils. And the camper's going to smell fresh now, and it's going to be nice and cold for these hot summer days. But guys, if you would, just catch me on the next one, and we'll see you later.